everybody, welcome to KKCL TV. This Friday, millions of people all over the world are going to celebrate Chinese New Year. Jessica is in China and he's bringing a group to KKCL to show Chinese students in Chinese New Year is celebrated in London. Jessica, you're live!
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. We are from New Oriental School and now we are coming to London, KKCL. So the Chinese New Year is approaching. Welcome to join us in Soho in London, okay? So back to studio.
Food is a very important part of Chinese New Year and we are celebrating as well in a Chinese restaurant with Said and one of our groups. Said, how are you doing?
Hi, and welcome to KKCL News. We're here today at Wong Ki, one of the most famous Chinese restaurants within Chinatown. It's world renowned for its large amounts of food. So we have our students here today. We're going to visit Trafalgar Square, Chinatown, and probably Leicester Square and Covent Garden. Everyone seems to be well fed. Is everyone eating well? Yeah? Everyone full? Yes! That sounds happy to me. Back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Said. That looked delicious. Chopsticks are the traditional tool in Asia to eat food, and we asked one of our students to show us to use them properly. Leah will give us a demonstration to our teacher, Anne.
Hi, hello, I'm Leah, and it's our teacher, and now I will teach our teachers to use the chopstick to eat noodles. Yeah. Okay. Picking up this. Alright.
And that's how we eat with chopsticks.
You had to do your best. Yeah. So this time let's go back to the studio.
Thank you, Leah. Very interesting. I see in the monitor that our teachers Emma and Jan are playing a cookie catcher. That's a very popular game in China. Let's go and see what is happening.
Yeah, we're just making, we're doing some origami monster faces. So they're going to present as YouTubers and they're going to present their monster going, hello, my name is Monster and I always brush my teeth. Here's my teeth.
Thank you, Emma. What a nice game. And this is all for KKCL TV and our special edition about the Chinese New Year. My name is Chiara, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook. See you next time!